artificial intelligence, AI agents, quantum and the law, legal practices, reform and education system, how artificial intelligence and quantum are redefining laws, legal practices, implementation, and education. A new era of legal intelligence. Human civilization is entering one of its most profound transitions as artificial intelligence and quantum technologies converge to redefine how we understand, apply, and teach the law. The legal system, which has always evolved with societal change, is now being reshaped by technologies capable of reasoning, analyzing, and making context-aware decisions at unprecedented depth and speed. Artificial intelligence, through intelligent AI agents, and quantum computing, with its vast computational power, are together giving birth to a new ecosystem of legal intelligence. These technologies are not only changing how legal professionals work but also transforming how justice is delivered, how laws are created and interpreted, and how future generations of lawyers, policymakers, and scholars are educated. This integration of AI and quantum marks a monumental shift in governance, justice, and education, establishing a foundation for a smarter, fairer, and more responsive global legal order. The emergence of AI and quantum paradigms in law. Artificial intelligence has already become an indispensable part of the legal world. AI agents can now understand natural language, analyze massive databases of legislation, and extract meaningful insights from complex case law. Machine learning models are being trained to assist judges, lawyers, and policymakers in making better-informed decisions. Predictive algorithms can estimate the probable outcomes of court cases, while intelligent systems can draft and review contracts, ensuring compliance and consistency. The entry of quantum computing adds an entirely new dimension to this transformation. Unlike classical systems that process information in bits, quantum computers work with qubits, allowing the simultaneous exploration of countless possibilities. This means that legal datasets involving millions of precedents, regulations, and variables can be analyzed almost instantaneously. The combination of AI's cognitive intelligence and quantum's computational depth is creating a new paradigm for the legal domain, an integrated, adaptive, and data-driven justice framework. Redefining legal practice through intelligent systems. The practical dimension of law is being restructured by intelligent automation. AI-powered contract analysis tools can detect anomalies, highlight risks, and suggest improvements in complex legal documents. AI agents integrated within corporate governance platforms are capable of monitoring regulatory compliance in real time, detecting fraud, and identifying ethical violations across global operations. Quantum-enhanced algorithms improve optimization in legal workflows, reducing time and cost in litigation, arbitration, and negotiation. Law firms are adopting multi-agent AI ecosystems that can simulate entire legal cases, model strategic decisions, and evaluate multiple legal pathways before choosing the optimal one. This ensures not only efficiency but also fairness, consistency, and adaptability in practice. In digital litigation and e-discovery, AI tools can process terabytes of evidence within hours, providing insights that humans alone could never achieve. These systems are advancing the legal profession towards a more scientific, data-informed model of reasoning, one in which AI augments human wisdom rather than replacing it. AI, quantum, and legal reform, designing the laws of the future. The introduction of AI and quantum technologies requires fundamental reform in how laws themselves are conceived and implemented. The traditional legislative process, based largely on human deliberation, is being enhanced by computational models that simulate social, economic, and ethical consequences before policies are enacted. AI systems can assess the effects of proposed laws on various population groups, detect potential biases, and recommend alternative formulations. Quantum simulation further allows the testing of millions of legislative scenarios simultaneously, helping policymakers identify the most balanced and equitable outcomes. The creation of laws for AI and autonomous systems, encompassing legal responsibility, data ethics, algorithmic transparency, and liability, requires a profound understanding of how intelligent systems function. The emerging concept of algorithmic governance depends on this technological legal integration, ensuring that human values remain embedded in computational decision-making. Reform in this area will shape the moral and institutional structure of future societies, balancing innovation, justice, and accountability. Judicial intelligence and decision support systems. Judicial institutions are adopting AI to assist in managing cases, evaluating evidence, and delivering timely judgments. AI-driven decision support systems can analyze thousands of past rulings, identify relevant precedents, and generate analytical briefs for judges. Such systems are helping courts to reduce backlogs, improve consistency, and uphold fairness in decision-making. Quantum computing introduces the capacity for multidimensional reasoning, where every variable, context, and argument can be assessed concurrently, leading to deeper understanding and better prediction of outcomes. These capabilities will enable the development of intelligent judicial ecosystems where human judges collaborate with AI in a transparent, ethical, and accountable manner. AI agents can monitor potential bias, analyze sentencing trends, and ensure procedural integrity, supporting a justice system that is both efficient and humane. The transformation of legal education and research. The education of lawyers and legal scholars must evolve alongside the technologies that will shape their work. Law schools and universities are now at the frontier of integrating AI and quantum technologies into legal training and academic research. The focus is shifting from memorization of statutes to mastering algorithmic reasoning, data ethics, computational law, and human-machine interaction. Students are learning to interpret AI-driven analytics, design digital contracts, and understand the governance challenges posed by autonomous systems. Academic research is expanding towards areas such as AI jurisprudence, quantum-secured legal communication, algorithmic justice, and the ethical design of AI systems in law. AI tools are assisting academics in literature reviews, automated citation analysis, and even the creation of predictive legal models. Quantum computing, with its capacity to handle vast multidimensional data, is enabling new methodologies in legal theory development, international law harmonization, and policy simulation. The integration of AI and quantum into education is producing a new generation of professionals equipped to lead the transformation of law and governance globally. Ethical, social, and human dimensions of intelligent law. The incorporation of artificial intelligence and quantum technologies into legal systems raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. How can we ensure that automated legal processes respect human rights and social justice? How do we maintain transparency and accountability when AI systems participate in legal reasoning? These questions drive the development of AI ethics frameworks, algorithmic accountability standards, and quantum-secured transparency models. The human dimension remains central. Law must always reflect compassion, fairness, and empathy. Intelligent systems can process information and patterns, but they must be guided by human values, ethical oversight, and public trust. The integration of technology and humanity in the legal domain is not just a technical achievement but a civilizational imperative. Global applications and impact on governance. The applications of AI and quantum in law extend far beyond national borders. Cross-border trade, digital finance, cybersecurity, and international arbitration are all being reshaped by intelligent technologies. AI systems are used for monitoring compliance with international treaties, detecting financial crimes, and improving transparency in public procurement. Quantum encryption ensures that sensitive legal communications are secure from interception, protecting national security and individual rights alike. Governments are exploring AI for drafting policies, managing legal data, and ensuring regulatory alignment across jurisdictions. International organizations, law firms, and academic networks are forming collaborative platforms to standardize AI governance principles and advance interdisciplinary research. The combined impact of these technologies promises not only to modernize governance but also to enhance global cooperation, equity, and ethical responsibility. The integrated paradigm: intelligence for a managed world. The fusion of artificial intelligence and quantum technologies with legal systems represents a paradigm shift in human governance. It embodies an integrated model where data, logic, ethics, and computation converge to create adaptive, self-improving, and transparent institutions. This phenomenon is not merely technological, it is structural and philosophical, redefining how society manages complexity and fairness. Intelligent legal ecosystems will soon monitor global compliance, predict social risks, and assist in designing resilient legal frameworks for issues ranging from environmental protection to human rights. This integration allows humanity to manage the world more efficiently, rationally, and ethically, an extraordinary advancement in institutional intelligence. Invitation for collaboration and future vision. This field stands at the intersection of law, technology, philosophy, and ethics, offering immense opportunities for innovation and academic exploration. Researchers, educators, practitioners, and policymakers are invited to collaborate in developing AI and quantum-based legal systems that uphold justice, accountability, and humanity. Collaborative research networks, international partnerships, and interdisciplinary education initiatives are essential to ensure that these technologies serve society effectively. The collective goal must be to build an intelligent legal framework that supports both human progress and moral responsibility. Conclusion: towards a future of intelligent justice. Artificial intelligence and quantum technologies are redefining laws, legal practice, and education in ways that will transform not just the profession but the very nature of justice itself. They are creating a world where governance is intelligent, education is adaptive, and fairness is algorithmically guided but ethically grounded. This is a turning point for mankind, where technology and humanity merge to design institutions capable of sustaining an intelligent and just global society. The future of law lies in intelligence guided by ethics, computation balanced by compassion, and innovation devoted to human progress. Let us work together to shape this extraordinary future where AI, quantum, and law unite to strengthen civilization, empower justice, and secure the world for generations to come. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more insights on AI, quantum computing, and emerging technologies shaping the future of software and humanity.